What's going on, YouTube? I'm back again with another video of B.B.T.Y. So today's segment, we're going to talk about the 3 steps to achieving your full potential. So the first step to achieving your full potential is setting attainable goals. I don't know if you guys watched my last video, but the last video was talking about keeping it pushing, and one of the main things that I did talk about in that video was setting attainable goals for yourself. And so for this video, the first step of achieving your full potential is setting an attainable goal for yourself. You want to have a goal that you know you can achieve within the first 90 days. We're going to break, like I said, we're going to break the year down into quarters. So the first quarter, you're going to set a goal that you know that you can achieve. And basically, to go into detail about that, first step is 1, being true to yourself. You have to be true to yourself. You have to know exactly what are you really trying to get done, how can you get this done, and how soon can you get this done. So basically, if, for example, if you know you have kids, or if you know you're in school or anything, and you say, okay, I want to be a millionaire or something, like, you know you will not be able to get $1 million within 90 days. You know, it's just not going to happen that way. It's going to take a step-by-step process. And that's what I mean by setting an attainable goal within the first quarter of yourself. So if you do want to be a millionaire, say, okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to find something that I'm passionate about, and then I'm going to work towards that. Then once you find something that you're passionate about, okay, how can I spin this around to say I can make money off of this? Then you want to work, you know, step by step by step, and then eventually you will become a millionaire. That's a long-term goal, which is okay. It's okay to have long-term goals. So the next topic that I want to go into, now this one is very, very important, and every successful person has this, and every successful person knows this step. And step number 2 is having an accountability partner. Now, I mentioned in a couple videos back a while ago is, you know, changing your circle. And this is very important because the people who you surround yourself by is a true reflection of who you are and how far you're really trying to go in life. So if your friends if your friends aren't really trying to push you, or they're not trying to push themselves, then it's just a reflection of who you are and what you're really trying to do. So if you have a friend and they're telling you every day, hey, you need to be doing this, hey, did you do this, did you make sure you get this done, did you follow your step-by-step process, you know you have a goal, you say you're trying to achieve this goal within 90 days, did you do anything today to make yourself one step closer to that goal? That is a true friend. That is going to be somebody who's going to hold you accountable when you are up, when you're down. Your accountability partner is not just somebody that's going to be on you, making sure you do what you get done, but that's somebody that's going to pick you up when you're down, but also keep you humble as well. You never want to get too big-headed. That is a perfect friend. Somebody that's right in that perfect balance. They're not going to always boost your head up, knowing if you're not doing something, they're not going to just say, oh, go right ahead, do this. No, they're going to tell you, hey, you need to get on your stuff. You need to make sure you're doing what you're doing. And then the third thing I want to talk about is rewarding yourself. A lot of us, we forget to reward ourselves. We always say, oh, I want to do this. I want to work, but we forget about the most important thing, which is ourself, which is our personal health, our mental health, our physical health, and how we carry ourselves throughout the day. And that is just very important. So if you set a goal for yourself and you achieve that goal, then take yourself out and do something nice for yourself. You know, a lot of people, sometimes they try to call us selfish, or they'll call you selfish because you decide to do something for yourself rather than doing something for everybody else. It's okay to do something for everybody else, but it's also okay to do something for yourself as well. Never forget about yourself, because a lot of us, we do that. So if you feel like, oh, maybe I want to, spend $20 or $100 on myself, it's okay to do that. And now, like nowadays, we live in a world of, people kind of shame other people for buying something expensive for themselves. If you have the money to do so, if that's within your means, then by all means, feel free to splurge on yourself. It's definitely okay to do that. And never let anybody make you feel bad about how you are treating yourself, because how you treat yourself is the most important thing. Like, if you can treat others perfectly, but you have to treat yourself just as well. You are just as important. You are your most important commodity. You are your success product. So, your inner peace is very important, and I hope that you guys all find your inner peace, because if you don't have inner peace, it'll be very hard to move forward throughout this life. So basically, that is the 3 steps to finding your full potential. And if you guys have any questions, or if you guys have any comments, any concerns about this video, feel free to comment below. Also, I am still selling my hoodies and t-shirts. This is one of the hoodies that I am selling. I do have this hoodie. This is my personal hoodie, but I do have more hoodies, crew necks, and t-shirts online. I am coming to begin to selling more different types of clothing that will be coming soon, so you guys can look out for that. And basically, just how I'm doing, I started my business. I'm almost at 1 year now, and I felt like I've done pretty good so far for where I'm at, but I know it's a lot I can still do, and I'm still trying to achieve. So as I'm working to achieve my goals, you guys work to achieve yours, and I hope that you guys continue to believe in yourself and never give up on your dreams, because that's ultimately what's most important, is your dreams and how you treat yourself. Love yourself, drink water, be healthy, be happy, have a great day, have a better year, and always remember to be